welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can set the keyboard shortcut in FreeCAD. Now here I have created a new file to set the keyboard shortcut. Go to the tool and then customize. So on this customize page you will get here option of keyboard. So here I wanted to insert a body, so I will go to the part design workbench. So I will select here part design, and part design here I wanted to create a body. So I will first reset the current shortcut for this create body. So here is option press new shortcut. So I will give here control B and I will click here assign. So control B has been assigned keyboard shortcut for to create a body. So if I press control B, so you can see that body inserted, and when I press the control B, so you can see that new body has been creating in my browser. Same way you can set the keyboard shortcut for your favorite tool and with respect to the workbenches you have installed here. So this is a very small tutorial how to create a keyboard shortcut to enhance your modeling in FreeCAD